Hey guys, welcome back. We're back with Eddie in his kitchen, fully demoed, and now we're gonna talk about the plan. We have the refrigerator coming to here. At 40 inches, we could put the window. We'll put the window with the sink here and the dishwasher on this side.
So the window's here. You just want to bring it here?
Well, no, the window is here.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're gonna need to add the pipe here for this, because the dishwasher is gonna come on this side.
Yeah, but they can use the pipe.
No, I know. I'm just letting you know that he has to have the hookup on the,
Yeah, it won't be a
you know,
problem.
on the right side as opposed to
dishwasher
the
will be
left.
on the right side. Okay.
Yeah, a long pipe and that's
Right, so here, so now the window's here, the sink's here, the dishwasher's here. So the oven's gonna be where? Against the wall.
Here.
You need air, the vent.
yeah.
Right, but he can go out through the soffit.
So we're not keeping the soffit?
Well, we probably are. I need the spec on the upper cabinet. We need the heat to go somewhere else.
Okay.
And that's the solution, and it's the only place it could go. So
Okay.
it needs to go there. I need this space. I don't want to lose this. No, because Eddie, when he gets the tile here on site, I'll lay it out in the 3 different options,
this is
and we
less
can
than,
talk about.
right?
No, I know, but I gave him a couple of different options for the design, and I want him to choose. And it's
Yeah.
easier for him to visualize with the actual tile. Hi guys. So now we're gonna go check on my own project and see where we're at. Come on, let's go. So we're standing in front of my house, about to walk in. I want to show you the entryway I was talking about with Elizabeth first. So come on. We're standing in my entryway, and I wanted to give you a heads up about what was going on in here. We decided to partner up with Elizabeth Sutton Collection, and we chose one of her artworks with her signature color stripe in a starburst position from the ceiling out, with vertical stripes going down, and it's going to be a vinyl wall wrap. Basically like a car wrap, where you see those cars driving around all logoed up. That's basically what we're doing on the walls with her artwork, digitally printed. It's gonna be super cool, and I can't wait to share it with you. Toilet is here and the vanity is here. And then we said we have to switch it. That the vanity has to go here, which is 42 inches, and the toilet here. And the tub is 32. You know what? I could even tell them to do the 30.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, yeah.
Okay.
As long as I'm centered.
You know what? I'm gonna just get you 2 new windows.
Yeah.
Don't even use these. No.
Nothing
I have the sizes on the drawing, and that's what I'm gonna order. Hey guys, so it's been a really crazy busy day. To finish off today, we're at my client's house receiving her custom area rugs that I designed. I'm super excited that they're actually here, and I can't wait to roll them out and see what they look like. So you guys know how I love a stripe. We custom seamed together this area rug with different solids to create a stripe based on the color story that is going to be happening in here. So let's go guys, let's roll it out. I'm quite good. We had already installed this free-floating slab counter over here, and underneath we're going to be adding a leg of the same granite so we could have a free-floating glass shelf. The homeowner, my client and friend Melissa, just showed up. We're gonna go upstairs to her master where they're laying out her second custom rug designed by me. So we're done for today here. I can't wait to show you the reveal of this project when the window treatments and the pillows come in. It's gonna be amazing, and I'm super excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. Stay tuned and watch and see what happens next.